beautiful, Rose. Oh, you're really learning. That's very beautiful.
Can you be Miss Kelly today?
Can I be Miss Kelly?
Kelly.
I don't think I can. I think Miss Kelly's the only one that can be Miss Kelly. I don't know ballet. You're going to have to teach me.
I can't because I'm a ballerina.
Oh. You're doing a great job. Wow, that was really pretty.
That was one.
Beautiful.
That was do itsy bitsy spider. Can I do itsy bitsy spider?
Yeah. Itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain.
Mom, it's over now.
Itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again.
Birdie said she's strange.
I heard her say pie. I heard her say that, putting your feet in pie. Can I see you put your feet in pie? I heard her say that. She said pie, very pretty. Oops, hi Maddie.
That was you. Ow.
And then did you hop and put your feet in pie again? Let me see. Hop and pie. Hop and pie. Oops. Good job.